There's a moment where something shifts inside you. Not dramatically, not loudly, just quietly. You start to know. You notice the patterns, the inconsistency, the way you feel more anxious than steady. You replay conversations looking for reassurance instead of clarity. And even when nothing is technically wrong, you don't feel safe in it. Your intuition doesn't usually shout. It whispers. It shows up as tension in your chest, hesitation before texting, a feeling that you're adjusting yourself to keep something alive. You don't want to admit it, because admitting it means something might end. So you tell yourself maybe they're just busy, maybe you're overthinking, maybe it needs more time. But deep down, you already know the difference between potential and alignment, and you know which one this is. Sometimes we stay not because we're confused, but because we're hoping we're wrong. But peace rarely comes from ignoring what you already feel. You don't need more signs. You just need to trust the one you've already seen.